Hi everyone, welcome back. For today, we'll be discussing the steps in designing your dream home starting with your site until the turnover of the finished house. If you want to build your dream home one day, stick around until the end and let's make your dream home a reality. As an architect with 20 years of experience, I have designed countless homes from single-family house to high-rise mixed-use building. Today, we are delving into how to design your dream home, especially a single-family house design. I will assume and explain that you already have a land or a very old house to demolish. Before you kick off your project, there are a couple of things you need to sort out. First off, check out zoning of your property and what kind of buildings you are allowed to put up there. You can easily find this information on the city's website. Look up the zoning bylaw and the city's GIS map. This is super important to do before you buy any house or land, as it's always good to know what you can build before you buy. Next, you will need a site survey. This is done by a licensed surveyor who will map out everything about your lot, like the exact property lines with the existing structures and any utilities running underground or above. Knowing any development restrictions beforehand is crucial. Once we get the site survey, we can better understand what we are working with. I've dealt with lots where there were right-of-way or underground city-owned utility lines, and you cannot build over those areas. However, you can put parking or driveways there. To bring your custom home to life, it really helps if you know exactly what you want. Think about the size of your home, how many bedrooms and bathrooms you need, and also how many parking spaces you need, etc. And don't forget about your style preferences. Putting together a wish list or a mood board with your favorite design images really help crystallize your vision. You can start gathering ideas with a simple Google search or by exploring sites like Who's. I will drop some more tips and resources in the description below. It is wise to get in touch with an architect or a designer early on. They can walk you through everything from the initial design stages to getting your building permit. Remember, your dream home not only needs to meet your needs, but also adhere to local building codes and zoning bylaws. Based on your wish list, your designer will review the scope of work and check out all the relevant codes and bylaws to make sure everything is on track. We will use one of our recent projects as a case study to show you how we handle the code review and design process. Before we go further, let me break down some technical terms to help you get the hang of the house design. Setbacks. This is the minimum distance your building needs to be from the property line according to your city zoning bylaws. Lot coverage. This is the maximum part of your lot that you can build on, usually shown as a percentage. For example, if you have a 7,500 square feet lot and the bylaw allows 45% coverage, that's 3,375 square feet you can work with. But remember, you will need to adjust for setbacks, which might reduce the buildable area. Average grade. This is something easier to visualize if you make a 3D model of your site. It's calculated from the average height of the four corners of where your building will sit. We use the lower of the existing or proposed grade as an average. Building height. Measured from the average grade, this is how tall your building can be, which can vary based on the local rules and the type of project. Density, also called FSR, floor space ratio, or FAR, floor area ratio. This measures how much building area you can have relative to the size of your lot. For instance, some places might allow a FAR over 0.6, meaning you can build a floor area that is 60% of your lot size. There are usually exclusions for things like porches or balconies, so always check with your local bylaw to maximize your design. Now that you have all the information, you can start planning the space for your custom home. It usually begins with a block study to allocate the size of each level, while also keeping in mind the maximum area restriction from the bylaw. We also determine the floor levels of each floor. This is a critical moment when we decide where your main floor level will be. Now it's time to place your must-have items on each level of your house. To help you understand, let me show you the reference project that we recently designed. To give you a bit of background on this site, the land slopes down toward the back of the property, making it ideal for the workout basement. The location also boosts a fantastic sunset view of the city on the west side of the property, and the owner wants the master bedroom on that side to take advantage of the view. Now let's look at the must-have items for this project. Garage. The owners needed a double garage big enough for their RV, so we designed the garage to accommodate the RV's height. He also wanted the direct access from the garage to the inside of the house, which we linked through the stair landing. Main floor. The owner wanted a spacious living room filled with natural light and featuring a fireplace, so we designed it with a full-height sliding doors that open to the rear deck. Next to the living room, the owner also wanted a large kitchen with a center island, a cozy breakfast nook in the corner facing east with a small window to catch the morning sun. They also requested a separate spice kitchen, which we placed right next to the main kitchen. Office. We also provide a small room on the ground floor to serve as an office space. They wanted 4 bedrooms in total, 1 on the main floor and 3 upstairs, each with its own ensuite, a bathroom and walk-in closet. Upper floor. Heading upstairs, the owner really wants to maximize natural light and create a bright, open feel inside the house. So we added lots of large windows and featured an open ceiling that extends to the second floor. At the center, you will see the mini bar, which was a specific request from the owner. We also have the laundry area and 2 bedrooms on the east side. On the west side, there's the master bedroom with a very spacious ensuite bathroom and a balcony on the southwest corner where they can relax and enjoy the sunset after a long day. Basement. Let's head down to the basement, accessible from the main stairs. The owner wanted the entertainment space, so we added this flex room with its own bathroom. They can use it as a home theater, a game room, a gym, or a library. So many possibilities. And the best part, it opens directly out to the spacious background. But that's not all. The client also wanted a 2-bedroom rental suite in the basement. It features a very spacious living room, kitchen, bathroom, and laundry room. Since it's in the basement, we added window wells to provide the bedroom with a natural light and fresh air. We went through many revisions until the owner was satisfied with the layout. Once the layout was finalized, we proceeded to add other details such as roofs, decks, and balconies. Then for the finishing touches, we chose the materials for the exterior. The owner wanted a mix of dark brick and neutral colors, which we balanced with the wood accents using wood-grade metal panels. Once the design is finalized, we will issue the drawings to other consultants such as a structural engineer and an energy consultant. Based on the size of a project, we need to hire additional engineers such as landscape architects, civil engineer, etc. The structural engineer will design the framing of your house based on the architectural drawings. They make your design a reality. All open space with a long spans require their structural calculations. They will provide the most efficient yet safe framing plans. Buildings are required to meet certain energy performance standards depending on the area you are in. The energy consultants will calculate the energy efficiency of the building based on the current specifications of your building. They will provide an energy compliance report for the submission of the building permit. These requirements vary slightly between different municipalities, but these days more and more municipalities are requiring energy reports. Once the drawings and reports are provided, an architect will review their drawing and coordinate if any changes are required. Once the coordination is completed, we complete the package and submit it to the city for their review and approval. Oh, by the way, early involvement of a builder is also very beneficial because it's crucial that your dream home design also stays within your budget. Early involvement of a builder can solve this issue. Sometimes a builder coordinates with an architect and engineers to complete the building permit package and submit to the city. In this coordination phase, we also provide more detailed drawings. This includes foundation, exterior wall, floors and roof assemblies, connection details, and other drawings to aid in the construction of the project. Finally, once all the comments are satisfied and the building permit is approved, construction may now commence. However, we will not delve into the construction process in this video as it will need its own detailed discussion. If you're interested in learning more about construction process, leave a comment below. I will probably make a video with some builders that I work with. I almost forgot. We have also prepared our own residential how-to guide to give potential homeowners a run-through of the steps you need to undertake in the building permit process. This is largely based on current zoning bylaws, but may change depending on the upcoming zoning changes in this year. To get a copy of this ebook, simply send an email to my staff at april@jjarc.ca. For more information, reach out to us using the contact details provided below. And if you found this video helpful, please show your support by liking and subscribing to our YouTube channel. And don't forget to follow us on Facebook and Instagram. Thanks for watching.